I converted this simple video into animated video in just few clicks with the help of AI, without changing the facial features, without changing the body composition. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you guys can do this in few easy steps. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. So first of all, we're gonna generate a style image to apply on our video. Then we will convert our videos into animations. And in the last part, we're gonna fix the facial features. So first of all, let's generate some images. For that, I'm gonna use a free AI tool called Leonardo AI. You can use any of your favorite tool. And I'm selecting this 3D animation model. So I'm gonna give it a simple prompt like a beautiful woman, and let's generate. So these are the few images that I generated. So I'm gonna select one of them. So I like this image and I'm gonna simply download this image. Now to convert our videos into this animation style, I'm gonna use Runwayml. So simply go to the runwayml.com and select Gen 1 model, because this is a video to video model. Now simply upload your video that you want to convert into animation. So let's say I'm gonna select this video. So just wait for it. Okay, so our video is uploaded and you can see this is just a basic video recorded with a camera. Now let's convert this into animation. On the right side, you can see we have few options to upload our images. We have some presets and prompts. But for now, we're gonna upload our own image. Now simply upload the image that we have just created. Okay, so our image is uploaded. Now select your image and this will be selected as your input style. Now to get the idea how your video will look like, simply click on that preview style and this will provide you few images to get the idea how your video will look like. So these are the few images that I generated, but none of them is looking like our input video. But don't worry about that, we're gonna fix this later. For now, simply click on that generate. Okay, so this is the video that I generated and you can see this is not matching with our input video. And you can also see the facial features are looking really bad, right? Now let's fix this thing. Now to fix the facial features, we're gonna use the face swapping technique. And I'm gonna use this AI tool called Swap Face. And by the way, this is the only free AI tool available for the face swapping. Now to use this AI tool, you just have to go to this website, swapface.org. I will leave the link in the description below, so you can download this AI tool and install it on your computer. So once you have done, now go to the video face swapping and upload the video that we have just generated in Runwayml. Okay, so once your video is uploaded, now you need an image to swap faces with. So we're gonna get back to our original video and now find the frame where the face is fully visible. So I think this frame is looking good where face is fully visible. And now simply take a screenshot of this. And now just get back to our face swapping tool. Now simply upload your screenshot. Okay, so once you have uploaded your screenshot, simply click on that image and this will be selected as your face swapping image, right? And on the bottom right side, you can see we have 3 different models to swap the faces. So I'm gonna select the fast mode because it works best with the low-end devices and this model works for all of your devices. Now simply click on that start button and this will be start swapping your face. Okay, so our video is ready and these are the output results from our video. So let me play this for you. And now you can see this is looking much better than the Runwayml video. But the only drawback is the video quality is not looking good, right? Now to increase the video quality, we're gonna use CapCut's free AI video upscaler. So simply upload your video and then hit upscale. And now our video quality is much better than the previous one. But the only problem is when we are using the free AI tools, we have to face this watermark issue. But you guys can also remove this watermark using free online AI watermark removers. But I'm not gonna get into that because the video length will be increased. So that was a quick video on how you guys can turn your simple videos into animated videos or any of your favorite style by just using free AI tools. So that's it from this video, and if you guys find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.